Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you on how you can add a review or a testimonial review on your business here in Wix.com. Okay, so let's launch our Google Chrome app. So this is the Wix website editor. Okay, so to add the strip, just click Add Elements. Okay, and this one, Strip, and it will bring you to some of the choices right here includes testimonials. Okay, so you will see lots of options here. Uh-huh. Okay, so yeah, so there are a lot. So what I commonly see from any other websites is just like this one. Okay, so you can see the pictures and their testimonies. Okay. Okay, so upon clicking that, it will be added to your page. Okay, so testimonials are commonly placed at the bottom part of the page, so you can also do that. So just place your cursor within the strip and drag it. Okay, or you can place it anywhere on your page. So let's say it's slightly above the header part, or no, the footer part of the page, just like here. Okay, so there you go. You can edit the text appearing in each text box. Okay, right here. So to edit that, click it and click edit text. Okay, and you can also add pictures. You just click image, change image rather. Okay, and if you click that, so there will be options right here. Okay, so that's how you're going to add testimonial review on Wix website. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so thank you very much.